bought it for me for my birthday years ago, and she was like, "You want a what?" Like, "Yeah, I want a jackalope." You know? What our local farmers have available dictates what the menu is going to be. For 8.5 years, we've changed the menu weekly. This is yucca. It can be called yucca, it can be called cassava. It's just kind of like a really starchy, fibrous potato. We're just gonna fry it in a little bit of oil till it gets nice and crispy. All I'm doing is putting a spin on a classic Cuban dish. It's still fried yucca, still with a creamy sauce. It's just a different kind of creamy sauce, a few different flavors. I'm using this sauce called Comeback Sauce, which originated in Mississippi, which is about as not Cuban as you can possibly get. Then I added some miso to it. Miso is a fermented soybean paste. So you take soybeans and you mix them with rice that's been inoculated with a mold, and you put them in a dark place for about 6 months, and all those soybeans are now a paste. Some celery leaves. They play well with the comeback sauce. Pickled red onions. A little acid will light up the fattiness of the sauce. I wanted to do something that was distinctly Tampa, but then, take it up a few notches. So we've got Mississippi varying with Japan, going by way of Cuba, and all these flavors will work together. It's just not a very straightforward thought process to get there.